we had lots and lots of friends very close to us that had succumbed to HIV and passed away. So it was like this thing was kind of encroaching upon us. And then in 1995, I found out I was HIV positive from the doctor. And I kind of knew that I was because you can feel it in your body. It's like you can kind of feel this invasion almost. And at that time, after ABBA, after we'd had Always, I said to God, please can you switch it off? This is all a bit much, Yeah. And that's what happened. And I was thinking like, oh no, I didn't mean like that much, but actually it was good for me because I had so many things wrong with me physically. So my body was closing down. So I was very scared because of all those other people before us. And thankfully, being born at the right moment, we had access to the retroviral therapy and it worked for me.